In the heart of Jalna, a city known for its vibrant culture and rich heritage, stands Anil Jindal World School, a symbol of excellence in education. Founded in the loving memory of late Shri Anil Jindal, AJWS is not just a school, but a sanctuary of learning, where dreams take flight and young minds are molded into tomorrow's leaders. At AJWS, we empower students to dream big, learn passionately, and grow into confident, ethical, and capable individuals. Our vision is to nurture every child with care and dedication, guiding them toward a healthy, happy, and successful future. As we embark on this journey of education, we firmly believe that AJWS is more than just a school. It's a community, a family, and a place where every child is valued, nurtured, and empowered. Our mission is to provide an environment where children can thrive academically, socially, and intellectually. With our team of dedicated educators and our world class facilities, we are committed to helping every child achieve their dreams. Our approach to education combines quality learning with ethical values. AJWS is where modern, aesthetically appealing teaching methods meet learning by doing, making it truly beyond schooling. Our goal is not just to impart knowledge, but to instill skills that stay with our students for life, empowering them to thrive in and contribute meaningfully to society. AJWS boasts the best infrastructure in the Jalna district. From spacious, well ventilated classrooms to advanced labs, every corner of our campus is designed to inspire creativity and innovation. Our sports facilities ensure physical wellness, while our canteen provides nutritious meals to fuel young minds. We believe that education is more than academics. At AJWS, we focus on holistic development, fostering life skills that build character and confidence. Our students are encouraged to explore their creativity, develop a sense of responsibility, and engage in activities that prepare them to be compassionate, socially aware citizens. At AJWS, we foster an environment where learning and growth go hand in hand. Our curriculum goes beyond textbooks and exams. It is designed to encourage critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, and 21st century skills. By integrating technology, sports, and arts, we ensure that our students are equipped with the skills they need to excel in all aspects of life. AJWS is a place where every child's potential is realized. Quality education should be accessible to all. At AJWS, we provide world-class education along with ethical values at an affordable rate. Adhering to NEP 2020, we are committed to ensuring that every child, regardless of background, has access to opportunities that will shape their future. Anil Jindal World School stands as a tribute to the vision of late Shri Anilji Jindal. His dream of nurturing young leaders and empowering them to serve the nation with pride. AJWS stands as a beacon of progress in the educational landscape of Jalna. The school's commitment to providing quality education, combined with ethical values and holistic development, ensures that every child is prepared to face the challenges of the future with confidence and compassion. We believe in the transformative power of education, and AJWS is dedicated to shaping future leaders who will make a positive impact on the world. Anil Jindal World School, a hope for every child and a commitment to our nation's future. Join us in this journey of excellence, where we dream big, learn passionately, and build tomorrow's leaders today.